crossing mountains and seas to expand overseas, crafting premium products, forging ahead toward a promising future after meticulous long-term preparation and refined craftsmanship on every detail. Kosun Machinery has fully completed the shipment of the complete drilling mud system bound for Algeria. With tower cranes hoisting, we deliver products with ingenuity. Professional workers conduct orderly hoisting and secure loading of precision equipment. Every rigorous operation embodies its unwavering commitment to superior quality. From meticulous inspection of spare parts to full assembly of complete units, we enforce strict craftsmanship standards across all procedures to deliver reliable, premium machinery. Aerial footage captures neatly arranged, ready-to-ship equipment on site. Truck cabs marked with a Kosun logo shine brightly. Every piece of equipment and every departing truck carries the robust strength and dedicated craftsmanship of Chinese intelligent manufacturing. Engine roars echo as trucks depart for the port to set sail overseas. This full set of mud processing equipment will be shipped to Algeria to boost efficient progress of local drilling projects. Built with exquisite workmanship, rooted in original aspiration, partnering with quality, living up to all customer trust. Going forward, Kosun Machinery will continue exploring global markets with high-performance products and dependable services, bringing Chinese precision engineering worldwide and empowering global construction projects with refined craftsmanship.